Let's go!
Hola! This is what we've come for. Can we take these?
Yes.
Thanks very much. Alrighty then. And the castle of St. Joseph. So how about we go there first?
Let's go explore. Yeah, they seem to do Christmas trees a bit differently here.
Yeah, the Marina version of a Christmas tree. So there's two small stretches of promenade that are finally being completed, which join up existing promenade from the castle San Jose that we're going to now, all the way past the airport for 26 kilometers, which makes it the longest promenade in the world.
Oh, wait.
The current longest one is in La Coruña, which is 13 kilometers, and the second is in Atlantic City, which is only 9 kilometers, 26 kilometers. Got some going to beat that.
Little door on it and everything.
And they've got a successo here as well, look.
I think we found the chandlery.
I think we have found the chandlery, yes. It's a big one. Not the most beautiful of walks.
No.
This is kind of the port of Arrecife as opposed to the Marina Lanzarote, isn't it?
Yeah.
So a little more industrial. Now then, what do you reckon all this is?
That's great, isn't it?
It's very well protected, this marina, absolutely superbly so. Because there's a great, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a harbour wall which goes right past on the other side of that cruise ship. There, so when you come in, you're in the Atlantic swell, and then you come into this like protected harbour area over there. And up here, into an even more protected area. Follow these boys around to the marina, which is over there. There's no swell at all. Far end of the marina, there's actually an exit into the Atlantic. So the water keeps getting flushed through. So some marinas, like scum, people empty their tanks and things, the scum can gather in the corners and it smells a bit. Not so here. It's lovely here, isn't it?
Lovely.
Oh, that's really characteristic of the Canary Islands. Black sandy beaches. We get to Tenerife, it's just all black. There's the castle we're going to. Not far now. I reckon it's quite old.
You hope so. The buildings are bloody crumbling.
Nobody's going to spend all that time and effort these days. Just get the concrete tap on. Get some shuttering on, like these things, yeah. Clonk.
Marina.
There's the marina.
Port. That's what's going to save the entirety of Arrecife from pirates. Eh?
Well, it's just about the same size as the fort at Lagos. And that was there to protect the city of Lagos from pirates, and you didn't wind him out of that one. Tell you what, if you like palm trees, you come to the right place.
A review by Amy.
No, Ban, we can't go in.
Got me ticket. Oh, wait. Wow. That is something. That's some weird stuff. Oh, nudies. Naughty. Wow, it goes on. Look at this. Wow. That goes down somewhere. Oh wait, look at that. That's cool. To the restaurant. We'll go and have a look in there in a bit. Let's go back up. Let's go and see what's the other side. Wow, look at that one. Mad. Can't say that's the prettiest building in the world. Looks like council flats.
This castle, the castle of San Jose, was originally constructed in 1776 to 1779, and it was commissioned by the King of Spain at the time, mostly just to give the people of the island something to do.
Dungeons. Holy moly, they're big steps. Why, hello there.
Hello there.
Bam Bam! Bam Bam! Shao here! Bam Bam! Hi! Hi Bam Bam! Wow, check this out. It's all about architecture by the looks of things. Las Salinas Hotel in Lanzarote. Las Salinas. Maybe we'll have to go and see that. Look at that. Totally might have to go and see that. I don't think I'll be able to show you all of this. It's far too much. Right, up we go. I bet you this is going to be a spectacular view from the top of the fort.
There's a wave.
Hi! It's quite a view from up here. And this here is an anchorage apparently, just for smaller boats. Shallow waters they are there. Anyway, let's go see what Martin's up to. Oh, there they are. I can see them. Martin! Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Look up where the chains are! Hi! Hey, Mama! Right, I think Martin and Bam Bam are going to be getting rolled aboard.
Yeah, so the castle fell into disrepair. Fully restored in, I think, 1976. This guy, the #1 son of Lanzarote, I think he's Caesar Manrique or something like that. But yeah, he convinced the local government to restore the castle and turn it into a centre for contemporary modern art. So that's what it is today. What do you think, Bam?
Yeah, actually, I think I gave it a bad rap because it's massive in there. Yeah. It's absolutely massive. Fancy! I hope they have outside seating. We're not in luck then, so a beer might be out of the question.
The views from here. Oh, wee. That is a shame because it looks quite nice, doesn't it? Very fancy.
So that's another tip. If you come here with pets,
And it's a no-no.
then it's a no-no.
Well, why don't we head back into our favourite little spot in town where all the little fishing boats are,
Okay.
and we'll get a drink there and maybe a bite to eat.
Oh! Don't fall off, dingus! Wow!
Oh, that's a big pedestrian area, isn't it?
That's quite cool, that. I didn't realise we were in France.
There might be plane trees.
Boulevard. Little boats. See, we're just walking around filming all the little boats, but everybody's going over the fact that our dog's got sunglasses on. Look how clear that water is. That's really clear. Nobody knows I'm down here.
Can we get 2 large beers, please?
Well, that was a lot of walking. Canary and potatoes. I wonder if canary and potatoes are like
Just potatoes.
are like the same as like Portuguese. Algarvian potatoes.
With this sun, nothing better than a beer.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you.
Cheers.
Perfect.
So we decided to have some lunch, right?
I think we overdid it a bit. We've got fried cheese. I'm not sure what that is. Local fried cornbread sandwich? Vegetable sandwich? I'm not sure it's good.
Nammies.
It's going in my face. What's that like?
You can tell it's fried. Back to Ollie, drop her off, and then back out we go.
Adults get some playtime.
Oh my. Where next?
We're going to go to the Grand Hotel and have some cocktails. We're going to go and visit a church. Probably should do that before we have cocktails.
Probably, yeah.
And have a look at this shopping street. Get some more booze for tonight.
Exciting.
Yeah, let's get into it.
A whale skeleton.
Apparently that's 11 metres, I can't. It doesn't look 11 metres.
It doesn't, does it? Do whales have arms? Oh, they're in the flippers. Have you seen that? Looks like they have little fingers in the flippers. That's freaky. Odd.
He's saying, come on, woman. So, shops. There's the church, look. Cutesy around here, isn't it? Canarian potatoes. We've got to find out what these Canarian potatoes are like.
The birds are going absolutely mad. They're all up in there somewhere.
Don't look up with your mouth open.
Oh, this is cool, man.
It's really nice, isn't it?
What's this? It's a bit weird. Jesus. Jesus, he's right there. He's been here the whole time. Well, it's really cool with all the birds are singing right outside the church.
It's 4 o'clock. Yeah, all the stonework is made from igneous volcanic rock. Or like, what do you call it? It's got bubbles in it.
Bubbly rock. Oh, that's cool. If anybody was in doubt, we are in fact in Arrecife.
Arrecife. What do we have here? A bit of ocean waste. Oh no, it's art. Of course it is. The History Museum of Arrecife. This way. Get the big guns out.
Boom.
Because that's a museum from inside. Okay. Sunglasses is not a good protection for you. Head and step.
I will.
Yeah?
Thank you.
This way, please.
Oh, that's the mask, yeah. Oh, okay. The two statues.
Hello, Captain. What is this thing doing?
Wrapped in gold. Might be gold on the inside. Mommy. Here's a relief map.
A what?
Relief map.
What's that?
And each layer of the map is a different height. Clearly the water is the dark wood and the land is the light wood. Let's go upstairs. See the view.
Whoa.
That's quite a view, isn't it? The cannon room.
Oh, mind the step. I don't like the way that they're all facing towards you.
I reckon it's about 4:03. It's pretty spot on actually, I'd say.
Good.
It's short. Thank you so much.
Adios.
Thank you. Bye. Been to the second fort. Day.
Castle.
What?
Castle. It's a
Castle.
castillo.
Very pretty. That's quite cool. The Grand Hotel of Arrecife stands before you, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes. It's rather grand.
We are trying to find the lift. So where's the station?
No, they're just setting up our interview for later.
I'm going up to the bistro bar because the restaurant doesn't open until 7 o'clock. Martin pressed a couple of buttons yesterday. So it's going to take a while.
16th floor. Presidential suite. Oh, sorry, imperial suites, please.
Yes. Next one's us, finally. What do you think? It is pretty special, isn't it? Look at that. Whoa. Oh my. Wow. This is definitely grand. Lost for words, to be honest. Doesn't happen very often. How's that? the cherry on top.
It's literally.
Kat and I literally have the cherry on top of my cocktail, so the walk home should be interesting.
It's pretty strong.
The craziest views, I think, I've ever had the pleasure of looking at.
Really atmospheric with the ship in the background, isn't it?
Hey there, baby. Hi. Hi, oh, aren't you pretty? Pretty. Do you want to come home with us? Oh, they're fun. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe. Help us make more videos like this by joining our Patreon family.
Pretty.